Hey you guys, it's your girl Stephanie coming to you with a filming room tour. So we being janky, we all up in this mirror and stuff, but we're gonna get right into it, okay? Okay. So I'm gonna give you an overview of the room and then we'll get into the different aspects. And this mirror needs to be cleaned. Like what? Uh, we'll be back. Okay, we're gonna start at the door. So let's have a real moment. Right now, in my hallway, I got some stuff going to the trash that I was cleaning up. That is going to be a bin for clothes that I'm getting rid of as far as donating. And I have some workout stuff here because I haven't figured out exactly how my workout space is going to go. And here's my little wall. We love because he first loved us. 1 John 4:19. The truth. The truth. So, first thing you see when you walk in is the door and a bin on the floor. It has an extra bag. This is a Vince Camuto that I bought when my niece graduated University of Miami. Her shout out to Autumn. But yeah, and you know this robe is, girl, this is the robe in the intros and a longer piece because I have a garment rack that needs to come down here and it's not here yet. It's upstairs and I don't feel like dragging it down yet. So y'all gonna get this room tour without it, right? Right. That bin is for things that are gonna go back into the master, which is upstairs. All my activewear type items are going to stay upstairs, and any occasional type stuff will stay in the upstairs closet. In addition to lingerie, sleepwear, loungewear, etc. So here is my shoe purse accessory area, which is this area and 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 this area. So let's get back over here. First, the art is Prada. I know having something as obvious as a Prada sign in your home is a little cliche and dated, but right now I like it. I really fell in love with the cherry blossoms and the color pink. I do love pink. So this was my sparkle, and as you can see, it sparkles. It sparkles. This is probably the glammest thing. I am a glam in style, but this is the glammest thing I own. A sparkly Prada photo. Like, come on. Anyway, so that just pulls off the pink that you see in the rest of the room. So on the top, let's go left to right. We have some brown bags. I think I'm gonna try to do something different for my purse storage, but I don't know how it's gonna work in here, and I probably need not to acquire too much more. And if I acquire something, I probably need to get rid of something because consumerism, sustainability, girl, stop. But that is my favorite crossbody bag by Ralph Lauren. This is an Italian bag. I can't think of the name of it, but I'm not opening it all up and going through. But it's an Italian little bucket bag. My DKNY bag, I wear this all the time. I love DKNY's modern aesthetic. That's just me. A vintage crossbody by Louis Vuitton. And in here is actually monograms, Louis Vuitton PM agenda. And I will be doing a separate video on these two because I got them pre-owned Posh and a Rebag. So that's coming. Stay tuned. I have two of these. I'm trying to stay out of try not to create shadows, but I have so many headbands. I had to go to two of them. But yes, that's the headbands. I live with them. You guys see them all the time. Here is the jewelry. This has a little flip top, big earrings, studs, some rings, some more earrings, my real pearls. One of the first gifts from my my long-term ex. I call him my baby daddy ex, and I don't have no kids, but yep. And then I'm gonna show these to you in the light so the shadow doesn't take over. But I got this first tray, and I'm gonna get 2 matching trays one day, but right now this is gonna have to do. But it just has jewelry in it, different categories, pearls, as you can see, rose golds, silvers, golds, you know, categories. And then these are some statement earrings. Most of these are by Minty. Like those are Minty. Those are Minty jewelry. And I help her out. I'm kind of like her little ambassador. I don't get to wear them because they're so statement-esque. And to me, they scream summer and glam. So, fashion to figure. Believe it or not, Michaels. And these were Kohl's. I want to say they were Vera from Kohl's. So that's that. I have a addiction to sunglasses. So here is my Sunglass Storage. It's like 5 pair, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have one in the car, my actual prescriptions. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, only 16 pair. I mean, that's reasonable, right? Y'all not judging me, right? Don't judge me, no. Hair clips, the fancier ones, the ones I don't keep in my drawer. Headbands, you know, I just have the Gucci belt buckle. I have to buy my own belts because of my thickness in the waist. My Arcadia bags, most of them are black. So this is my bill fold, large fold, satchel, crossbody, not crossbody, Lord, tote. Another DKNY in black. There's the other one right there, and I have a blue one upstairs. So back to this area, which I can overview. Let's go over. We can go bam, cinematic. All right, now let's go shoes. So my shoes right now are organized color into black into nudes. I don't know why. I think because filming wise, I didn't want that to be all black. So I wanted the nude. Don't ask me why. I don't know. It might change because my name is Stephanie and that's what I do. So, here are the colorful ones. And I'll just do a pan into black, grays, taupes, tans, and pink at the end. I don't know why I wanted pink at the end, but pink at the end. So that is this area. Am I making you dizzy? I'm sorry. All right, unit number 1. The units I got were from Overstock. I think they were $130. They have sales all the time, so I got both of them for less than $300. I know that. No, less than $250. I'm thinking it was like $250, $260, something like that. Anyway, I will link them below. Yes, I was on a budget. I did not do fancy smashy California closets or IKEA. I did not do IKEA. This is just, you know, something to do. I've had these units. These are from Walmart. You can still get them. They're like $25 a piece. And then those are about the same. Yeah. So anyway, back to this area. So we have our long boots over here. Pro tip, if you want your boots to stand up, use rolled up magazines if you have any. I use cardboard out of some packaging that I got, so I recycled. So then you got a little pockets of glam right here, which kind of pulls from that skirt. It was supposed to be for a Valentine's Day shoot that never happened. But anyway, I have my clothes organized not traditionally for the simple fact that I have to think of what's aesthetically pleasing when I'm filming. So that's why it's kind of darker into light, and then over here a little light into dark. I tried to keep the center airy as possible. That makes sense. So that's that. So you have some skirts here. You have pants and blouses from color to light. Then just a little display area, my little coach area right here. There's a DKNY back there. Say, hey girl, hey. And then this side, same unit. These are fully adjustable. So each unit has, and I'm going to get some lights in here, but I thought that'd be dope. So I was trying to try out these lights. I think that'd be so cute. But as you can see, it hangs below. So we'll be getting strip lights in there just for a little cute effect. This is a, different area. So yeah. But anyway, there's some little bags up there. I wanted to keep it light on both sides for symmetry. Eloquii boots, Target backpack, little clutch. So then we have light into dark and a little pop of red there. Sneak in some style right here. And then we have boots. Little boots. Short boots. So as you can see, I positioned that one way lower than that one to accommodate the boots and accommodate different lengths. So let's go to the center. This area is 2 cubular sets. Cubular, is that a word? Cube shelving units put together. Now, I think I bought these at 2 different times and they did not balance. So what you guys see here looks pretty good. From here, there's a height difference by barely a quarter of an inch. So I had to put something to rise up that side because there's a mirror on top that creates this little glam effect that I got going on. That being said, let's talk about the top. From right to left, we got this beautiful necklace holder from Marshalls. I do more dainty than anything else. I have a few more chunky pieces over there that you didn't even see because I hid them. But dainty is more what I reach for. That's a chunkier piece right there. But the dainty is just what I reach for. I have an Italian bag from Marshalls. Bouquet of roses I put together myself from Hobby Lobby. And I'm not sure where I got the base. One of my favorite candles by Lab Candles. That's just my Gucci dust bag because I'm using my Gucci bag right now. We have beautiful bangles. A little cheeky mirror, and I don't know what I was trying to do with this. It's just not acting right today. It doesn't like y'all today. See, we just gonna leave it. I think I like it kind of as a stash. What y'all think? Yep, that works. Y'all are in the decorate with me moments. So the cubes are a balance between actual clothing and mini vignettes of items. So the first one, I just want it to be pink because of the pink. This vignette was something else. I'm changing it. So that tan is going to come up. Green is going to go down to keep the top light and bright. We have thinner blouses. And then we have sweaters, light to dark. And then we have jeans, non-ripped to rip, because in my job I can wear jeans, but ripped is not happening. So there's ripped on the bottom because I don't reach for those as much unless I'm off. And then we have our colored denim, solid denim. And then a little vignette of black, my little biker boots and clutches. So that's that. Let's give you guys an overview. All right, so, hey. Anyway, I did not want to be in this video, so I'm just going to back up. This mirror is from Marshalls. It was like $60. Mirrors can get really expensive. I wanted a taller mirror, but I felt like I could still get an effective selfie out of it, and I liked the gold finish of it. I can be like, So that's that. And here's my first dress rack. This has some cardigan situations on here. So we're going to put some cardigans here. I had put this purse here because I had nowhere to put it. I'm running out of accessory room. And I'm going to do something with this dress. So cardigans that are a little bit longer. That could actually go up here. But I said, I want to put it here. The jean jacket, I wanted to be accessible, but I didn't want it on that space. Then we have 2-piece sets, which are these two. dressier two-piece. Suits. This is a suit as well. And then we have our shorter dresses here. On the bottom, more handbags. So clutches, crossbodies, that deal. Girl, had to put them somewhere. Running out of room. And then we have longer sweater dress right here. And then these two cardigans. I have one more that will go here. So right here is my filming stuff. I don't know how I'm going to position that, because I'm going to bring one more small rack to hold my long maxi dresses. It's very long. I mean, it's very tall, so it'll hold my maxis. And that mirror is going back up to my master bedroom, so you won't see that. You're not going to see half of this stuff in my videos anyway. So, but just to know, that won't always be there. So, over here we have my summer flip-flops and flat sandals. There's some missing pockets. I did give away tons of stuff, but I feel like there's some shoes hanging around somewhere in La La Land. Anyway, y'all know how we do. We take it off and walk away. So I don't have a light in here, so I'm going to show you this to the best of my abilities. Some boxes for my boots. Don't ask about those little bitty pillows. If you want them, let me know. Little sequin pillows. Storage, light, camera equipment, which you can't see. So these are my flats and my sneakers. They're colorized, as you can see, light to dark. And then when you get down here, we have sneakers. So there's something missing. Those are the Adidas that are right here. I just took a photo of them. And then you can't see, but there's another row of black sneakers on the bottom. My combat boots I wear all the time. Boots I need to list on Posh in the middle, because I got them too big. They're size 12. So if you wear a 12 and you like the Chelsea, they're like, let's see. Yeah. These type of boots. It's just a little dust because I never wore them. So they're new, as you can see. And then my DKNYs and my slides. So that's an overview of those. And those. Okay, so this is my little chill out section when I'm reviewing photos, needing to take a break, charge my phone. Just a little vignette. I have a C table that I put in the back coming forward, so that way it wouldn't stick out on the side. The ottoman like fits this area perfectly, as you can see, and it's storage. So then have that charger, little bouquet, and a little octagonal vase situation. These mirrors are from at home. I want to say the base was Marshall's. Oh, rack, Amazon. I should be able to link that below. Lighting, I don't know. That's from my photographer. He leaves it over here. We're like friends, so he's like, girl, I got enough. And I'm like, bet, I'll keep it. And I was taking pictures for the gram earlier. I was posting pictures, and I needed something to show my shoes. So, because you can't really see them in the way the pictures were shot, because they were so light, you couldn't see the detail. So these are my Adidas, or Adidas. That's how I say it. It's like the UK people. Adidas. And that was from Marshall's, but it's been a minute, so I ain't gonna lie. You probably won't be able to find that unless it's on Amazon somewhere. So that is my room. Autogalons. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything in the room, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Talk to you guys later. Oh, no, the rug. It's little spots of, they're not dirt. It's like lint that comes from clothes, but the rug is from Ollie's. It was only $40. Bet. And it's textured, so. Like I said, sorry. Hey, have any questions? Talk to me. Leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later.